Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something incredible, free online courses from the world-famous Oxford University. Yes, you heard it right, Oxford, one of the top universities in the world, offers free learning opportunities that you can access from the comfort of your home. And I'm going to show you how. Oxford University is over 900 years old and has produced legends like Stephen Hawking, J.R.R. Tolkien, and many Nobel Prize winners. But here's the best part, you don't need to study on campus or pay huge fees to learn from Oxford professors. Instead, you can access free online courses right now. Oxford partners with several platforms to share knowledge with the world. Let's check out where you can find these gems. edX, Oxford's courses in economics, philosophy, AI, climate change, history. Free to audit, paid if you want a certificate. Example, From Poverty to Prosperity, Understanding Economic Development. Class Central, Oxford Courses Hub. This site lists 100 plus free Oxford courses across multiple platforms. Easy to browse and find the subject you want. Oxford Continuing Education, free resources. Access lecture recordings, podcasts, and open learning material. Great for casual learners who just want knowledge without assignments. So, if you've ever dreamed of studying at Oxford University, this is your chance to learn for free. Don't miss out, check the links in the description and start your Oxford journey today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on free courses from top universities around the world.